Okay, hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to do a different format than usual. I'm going to um, just code um, and just code unfiltered without any editing at all, and just see how it goes. If you like this kind of format, please do like and comment if you prefer this kind of raw, unedited kind of coding. Okay, so today we're going to code the automation for Wikipedia. We're going to automate Wikipedia here on the right, and I don't really have any use cases or actions that I want to automate, so I'll see how it goes. I think right off the bat, probably I can automate searching something inside here and then clicking on the read Wikipedia in your language button. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that first. 1 minute. Let me just set a timer. Just set a timer so I don't overrun. Probably let's do this for maybe 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. And this bunch of codes that you see are all just my previous codes that I was coding for another video. So I just have one open here. I guess in the background I should also show you what I have. I also have this cheat sheet that I will refer to if I need to. It's either I refer to this or I refer to this previous code. So that's just my process of how I code. You know, I always reuse codes from previous programs, and I think it's common practice and it's a good practice to have. Of course, you can just copy paste codes or refer to them whenever you get stuck on something. That's just how my workflow is like, one-off. Okay, so yeah, I will start by creating a new class. So probably put it in the live coding. Oh, it's about now. Just put it inside live coding. Since this is somewhat live, yeah, a new class. And sorry if I'm taking my time to do this because it's my first time doing this like unedited and raw, and I'm not going to edit any of this, so this is a bit nerve-wracking to say the least. Okay, so I'll just call this automate Wikipedia. Finish. And then we have this main method generated, and and I'm also going to share this in my Ko-fi page, so you can download these codes also, and the link will be in the description. Actually, the cheat sheet will also be available in the description as well. Cheat sheet link, it's all in the Ko-fi page for Codelenium. So we have this done. Next, we want to create the Chrome driver path and initialize the WebDriver. So for these, we can just copy and paste from a passcode. Right. So let me reformat this. Get it nicer. And if you're going to download this, then you would obviously change this Chrome driver path to suit your needs. suit your own path, right? Okay, then need a try catch block to catch any exceptions that we might face. Finally block. For driver dot to close the browser when we're done. And inside here, we just want to print out the error message like such with the .get message. Okay, and then inside try, we're going to write the automation code. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do driver.get. So driver.get means that you will go to this website, Wikipedia. So you just pass the Wikipedia website URL in this as a parameter, as a string. And then once we go here, we want to locate this text box, this search bar. And to do that, we'll inspect. And then I use a tool called selectors hub. So if you don't know what that is, then you can watch one of my videos about selectors hub. So basically it just takes just helps you to locate the elements easier, and you can just copy like such. You can just copy which locator you want. We type more comments in case you want to download these codes. Then there's these comments to help you understand each line of code. So this one is to Wikipedia. Next, you want to type in search bar. Okay. So to type in the search bar, I have to do a driver find element by, and we will find by ID. Then just paste the locator, like what I copied from selectors hub inside here. And then I want to call the send keys method to type in the word selenium. Actually, let's type in Codelenium to see what it says. I doubt there will be any search results. So after we type that in, Codelenium, then we want to click the search bar. Sorry, click the search button, and then I will inspect, and then I'll copy. I feel like taking CSS selector, and I should copy and paste this. So yeah, reuse codes again. Always good to reuse codes. And then I'll copy the CSS selector and put it inside here, and then I'll change this to by CSS, select up. And then this one, I will call the click method, because I want to click the button and not send keys inside it, right? Okay, so we have these few actions: navigate, type, click. So let's see if it runs. Okay, went a bit too fast. So if I want to slow this down, I will just use a thread.sleep. Okay, and I'll give it 5 seconds. Well, the thing about thread.sleep is it's actually not good practice to use thread.sleep. So I'm just using it just for the purpose of letting the program wait before it closes. So usually a good practice would be to use waits, the waits classes in Selenium. So waits such as implicit wait and explicit waits, right? So we'll use those instead of using thread.sleep. Okay, but for this case, we use this just to let the program wait. Now I'll run again just to see the output. Yeah, there we can see there's no search results because Codelenium is a fairly new entity and nobody has written anything about it in Wikipedia. So I think I'll type something more well known, such as Selenium. Then we should see something a bit more. Yeah. Okay, we have Selenium, but it's not Selenium WebDriver, it's Selenium something else. So type Selenium WebDriver instead. Then we'll see where that brings us. Okay, so you saw that it brought us to the Selenium, it brought us to a search result instead. Okay, maybe I should lengthen this longer. Okay, so let me just type in Selenium driver here, search. Then I will continue the automation from here. Okay, so we can see the search results. Oh, and also I think that it is good practice to do this. I mean, it's not necessary, but I like to do a print line after every action to say pass. Like for example, type in search bar pass, and for every action, click the search button pass. This is just the personal preference for me, so that in case any of these actions like if there's any exceptions or anything goes wrong, I can see in the console which step it stops at, then I can debug at that step. Yeah, so it's easier for me to see, and just something that I thought I would share. So I like to do this, and yeah, moving on to automating. So here we can see, okay, so we have these search results. Then I want to click on this first one, so I'll inspect this. And then take the relative XPath for that one. Click. And then in software result. Then I can basically just copy and paste the previous lines of codes and just change this to XPath. And copy and paste the XPath. And then copy this into the print line. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, and clicked here because now we are in Selenium, and you can see in the console here it says type in search bar pass, click the search button pass, click Selenium software result pass. So this also gives me a positive excuse me. Yeah, this also gives me a positive affirmation. So that when I see pass, it's nice to look at as well. Yeah, so that's done. And now we will go into here and let's see what we can do. I feel like scraping some data. So let's see if I can scrape some of the data from this web page. So data scraping means I feel like extracting certain information from this web page. So I trying to see what I can scrape. I can probably scrape website. Okay, you know what? Let's just create website license and type. Okay. Scrape. So again, my common practice is to type the comment first and then code later. It also helps for anybody who looks at the code, to understand every line. But if you want to save time and you don't want to write comments, that's fine too. You can just dive into coding. But for me, I like to write lines of comments. So yeah, let's create the type. Script license and script website. Okay, so script type, copy previous codes and paste. And script type, what do we want to script? We want to script 1, 2, 3. Let's try scraping this one first. Software testing. Okay, so we do have link text software testing. Okay. Hmm. Type. Yeah, so we can just copy this link text and then change this to by link text script type link text Oh, okay. Hmm. No, I'm just thinking if there's other things to scrape. Um, okay, no. Sorry, I just had a frozen moment. Anyway, just copy the link text into here. And if you want to scrape data, we will use the method, we'll call the method got get text. And then we will print whatever that we script. So copy this in here. So I will say and then inside the print parameter, it will just be the get text for the web element, which is this one. So after that's done, I want to say that this has passed script type pass. Okay, let's try. Okay, so you can see here that it scraped the data correctly because it's showing software testing, which is what is being shown here, software testing. And then the next line printed script type pass. Yeah. So let me just add another print line to make it more readable, just to make the console look better and more readable. Run again. Okay, so you can see type software testing, script type pass. So we script the type successfully using this kind of code, and we can repeat and reuse this for license also. Just go to license, inspect. So here we have linked access to results. So if there's two results, it's generally not a good selector to choose. So it's better to use something that has just one result, one match. So in this case, let's use XPath. So I'm surprised that so far there's been no exceptions where element not found occurs or element not interactable exception occurs, because I usually do run into those exceptions. So it's good that this time there's no such exceptions. Yeah. So okay, let's move on to scraping the license. So as I was saying, it was XPath here, and then the XPath I will paste it here. and use get text, and it will be script license. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's my cat meowing, so please excuse her. Script license pass, and once again, let's see if it worked. Time is flying by very quickly. It's 6 more minutes to 2. Okay, yeah. So it's correctly Apache license 2.0. Sorry, I forgot to change this to license. Yeah. So it's script correctly. So if I just replicate this, these lines of codes for website 2, there should not be any issues. Sorry, I should have made this full screen all the time. Doing this. Alright, but at the same time, I need to like refer to the website to get the locators anyway. So I'll just keep it here. Okay. So this is script website and website. Click here, inspect. Well, actually, there's another simpler way, which is to right click here, selectors hub, and then copy these. You can copy the locators directly from here, but sometimes, I mean, from here you can't really see how many results there are compared to over here. Over here you can see it's 111. Then there's some that has like 32 for class name, so you obviously want to avoid those that are not ones. So if I do this method of highlighting here and then seeing here, we can't really see the number of results. So ideally we want to get just the ones, right? So copy. Yeah. So yeah, just to say something, I guess the way I'm explaining these steps are, they're very beginner friendly, so that's why I'm taking my time too, and I'm almost explaining every single step that I'm doing, because I do want to make this very beginner friendly. Okay, so what did I do? I forgot. Okay, so I'll use XPath. I want to find by element XPath, yeah. Then put in here script website. Then let's run it. And it says website done, license done, type software testing, pass, all pass. So far so good. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. Edit. Trying to see if we can work with something else. because so far we have send keys, we have click, we have get tags. So I do want to show other Selenium methods that we can do. Oh, yeah, I can probably show you clear, the clear method. So what the clear method? What the clear method? So instead of see this dot click here. So instead of dot click, we can also have. I mean, we can do. So instead of dot click and dot send keys, we also have dot clear, which will just clear the search bar of whatever we typed in. Yeah. I'm not sure if I want to show that though. Okay, maybe I can just set the start. So rename this first to type in seleniumwebdriver. Then I want to demonstrate. Type in what did I want to? Oh, I did type Codelenium, and then I'll delete Codelenium from the search bar instead of actually searching it. Okay, so that will give us a blank search bar. So instead of send keys here, I'll call the clear method. So it will clear the search bar. And I want to run and show this portion, but I think it will execute too fast and then you can't see it. So to do that, I will comment everything out first. Yeah. So commenting out these portions means they won't be executed. So only typing Codelenium and deleting Codelenium will be executed. Oh, and I do want to put in a pass status. So call this type in and delete pass. And now run. That was so fast. I didn't catch it myself. Okay, so I'll try and run it again. You know what? The thing is, I don't even know if it typed in because it didn't appear. So we should probably do a thread.sleep here just to wait for 2 seconds before deleting the word. Okay. Yeah, then it deleted. So type in then delete pass also. Okay, just one more time, run that. So then WebDriver, okay, that's great. Then it deleted. Okay, so it's done. And let me just uncomment everything and this is what we have so far for automating Wikipedia. Yeah, so I guess this is where I'll end for today. Just want to say thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of raw, no editing style kind of coding videos, please like and comment, um, so that I actually know that people like this type of content and want me to do more of this. Other than that, I also provide coaching for Selenium. I have a coaching service in my Ko-fi page, and you can also become a member of Codelenium, and members get access to all my Selenium scripts as well and direct messages to me. Yeah, other than that, all of these all the links will be posted in the description to what I just said. So thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2 for this. Bye.